Hello, subscribers. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining this live streaming. And it's another wonderful, beautiful afternoon to be here. This wonderful afternoon to have a chat with you guys. And some, sometimes it's always good to have time here with the fans. And like I said the other time, I will be streaming more this time so that I can get to know more about you. And if you are here watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well done, bro. Because if you subscribe, it will be great for me. And I will thank you. Knock, knock. Someone should please open the door for me. Comfort. How are you? Well done. Where are your children? Okay. They're chilling, Abby. They're chilling. They're watching cartoon. That's good. It's good to watch cartoon. Ah, is that my bag? That black bag. That black bag.
Is it on?
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
No, it's okay. Not like I'm using it to do something. It's not. Adeshola. Good. Here is afternoon. No. Saying good morning. Good afternoon. Here is not morning though. Here is afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? How you doing? Are you good? Nigeria. How about you? Do I need anything like what? Exactly. What exactly are you talking about, bro?
I want to make orange juice for myself and for JJ.
You want to make orange juice for yourself?
Oh, Uncle Shima, I don't see you.
Welcome.
Uncle Shima,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
How was school today?
Fine.
Okay.
That's equals to 2 orange for 2 orange.
So you want to make juice for yourself and JJ?
I need it.
Adeshola.
You have to cut it.
You asked the first time whether I need anything, so I want to know.
Which bag?
You asked whether I need anything, so I asked you what exactly are you talking about? You know.
Please, I cut this one now.
Message group.
How's JJ?
Look at the pattern and
This
see.
one.
That you cut.
That's how I cut it.
The red is line in this one.
That's how I cut it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let me know where you're watching me from.
I gave Michelle my own. No, it's JJ. I don't give JJ.
So I would love to know what that thing you said. You do I need anything? The same like kids.
You can do the second one.
So I just want to understand what I'm trying to say.
Then since you're going upstairs, come and get this one. No. Yay. Yeah.
So you want to make juice with 2 oranges? Yeah?
2 oranges is too tiny.
Because if you want
What
to
to
make
make for my daddy?
don't start something that you're not finishing. Before 2 minutes now you say you are tired, you want to leave that place.
You know that me, I'm already done with one. Not so many. I can start but I can finish. What I started, I can finish it.
So you said you're going to do all of that?
I'm not a bit tired.
Is it coming out?
Very well.
This is what I-
I'm already done.
This is like you're using your whole strength.
I'm not using my full strength. This is my kind of strength. See my face? That's
You see the way you are pressing it, it's like you're using your whole strength to just press it.
I like using my whole strength to press something.
Don't break it.
Don't break it too. Use your strength, but use it with style. And use your strength, but use it with style, okay?
I'm not using my whole strength.
Your plate is far.
You're not using your whole strength, yeah? That's great.
You need to add sugar inside orange.
What's that?
Sugar inside orange.
No, what will you add sugar?
I'm asking.
No, there's no need of you to add sugar because the orange is sweet already, so If you had to guess how much do you think Uncle Tinubu steal this month in dollars? Me, I don't know. I'm not in the presidential villa, so I don't know whether he stole anything. I don't know. I'm not an investigator, so
Wow, it's almost full
I don't know.
already.
Man. It's almost full. How?
I can't hear it.
Something that is not even up to half. Yes.
It's not up to 200.
Yeah, you are saying it's almost full. How?
When it's 600, when it's 1000, it's almost full.
Okay.
I'm going to make for everybody. I hope that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be enough for.
Don't call you. Cut it this way. Cut it this way. Not this. Look at these 2 points.
I need to charge my phone. Let me get my charger. My phone is going down.
We just reached 200. It's about to surpass 200.
You are doing well. I'm proud of you, man.
Cut another one for me. Cut it.
Can I bring cup?
50 cents. Yes, but I'm not yet done. Bring 5 cup.
Which kind of call?
Again with the things you submitted in his WhatsApp, those are the only messages. You say that you are his boy. But you have the same document to submit and acknowledged by us. How do you get the document? How do you get the document that
Who's working there?
nothing? They brought something, one senator or former senator. So they came out of
Royalty. Ro. Give me overdose, yo. When you were small, that's how I used to sing the song for you. If you like, ask your mom, she will tell you. We used to sing, ro. I'm not joking. No, just ask her.
I'm done. Uncle Edward, can you help me because I don't want to break that.
How many people are you going to share that one?
2 people.
2 people.
I'm just joking. For me, my daddy, and JJ.
So I'm not included.
Oh yeah, you too. Your own will be after me, my daddy.
I thought you wanted to share it with us.
I'm going to give you that. Yes, I get my daddy to this is only for one person. This is not good for my daddy's cup. My daddy want to make. You tell me I want to make. You don't want to make. I do. Like I told me, how did I used to do it?
You want to make what?
You cannot make JJ. I can. You cannot. I can.
You want to make? What do you want to make?
I want to make the window. I need to touch it. I need to touch it. Don't touch anything for him.
You to write it and show them.
You want to make what?
To make the window.
I will teach you tomorrow. No, I don't do it.
Don't worry, we use our orange and make juice. Come. Good. Come.
Yeah.
Are you done?
I want to make it.
Reality, what's that? Why are you using that knife?
JJ, this is not for you. JJ, let's be I'm giving it to my
Don't
dad.
worry, you will do.
Do.
Wait, go and get that done.
Come on, touch it.
Go and get it. Well, I need to go and change now. Using this knife. Wait, you see. Catch your hand.
But the knife looks very beautiful.
Pode colocar o ele já aqui.
JJ, you can watch another cartoon.
So how many cups have you prepared so far?
I've only done for one person.
One person.
Because that one finished. I can't believe that 5 orange. Only my dad. I did not. He finished. I'm over here in the kitchen. I'm not the one. Well, did you want work? I don't. You can go and put high don't ask daddy to help you. I'm not zoom, dum.
Rather than going to car start pick the same car. Do you know why? Because most cars
need
in car
more
start,
orange.
Nigeria has happened to them. What do I mean by Nigeria has happened
And
to them?
trimmer.
Catalyst and so many important things they have already sold it. Before you come buying the car, they have already sold many things that normally comes with a base of car. So it's better you buy your car abroad, some buy in America, some buy in Asia, and ship it down to Nigeria. Today I'm bringing a good news because I have a shop log in Yekachi Global. He stays in United Arab Emirates, that is Dubai, and he buy a ship down to you in Nigeria, and he's selling at a very affordable rate at the best. So try this. See some of his cars. Is it not worth it? Try this. You can see the number on the screen.
This one's the long shot. Well, it is in the Friday. Yeah, too late. You tried, but that was yeah. Like that or just because I buy a game. You have that I bet that's really what versus the apple. You cannot use the apple. That Uncle, just assume that they can do this thing with apple. Can they do it? Uncle Edward.
How will you squeeze out? You say you put inside.
How do they even make apple juice? By blending it now, very simple. Yeah, okay. I want to eat it. Don't eat it! Don't eat it. I'm going to choose. Eat it. I did not even get it. The juice is for you next. Oh yeah, okay. You're starting a very thing for you. Well, did you want me to change it to my own tattoo?